Industrial transformation is happening all around us. New technologies are offering companies novel ways to design, build, and deliver their products and services on the marketplace. Industrial transformation sits at the crossroad with three distinct levers. Lean manufacturing, the idea that you cannot digitize waste. You first need to eliminate waste. Digital transformation, including AI, new superpowers offered to manufacturers around the world. And lastly, the sustainability and energy transition. When integrated and put together, these three levers of change offers great possibilities of increased efficiency, boosting the output of innovation, as well as the sustainability outcomes of your operations. At ESCP, we engineered the EMIT, Executive Master in Industrial Transformation, to equip companies with the fundamental skills and insights from both academia and industry to capture the opportunities of these three distinct levers of industrial transformation. The EMIT program is designed and engineered and will be delivered by a unique partnership between academic institutions, business schools like ESCP Business School, as well as technology and industry experts like Comau and LEF. This will ensure a blend of rigorous academic contents with practical, no-nonsense industry and technology insights. We designed EMIT with a very specific participant profile in mind. The ideal participants are senior to mid-seniority professionals working in a variety of functions: engineering, manufacturing, procurement, after sales. They are the key to deliver industrial transformation. They are eager to learn new concepts, new ideas, new techniques, new technologies, and break them to fruition for their own organization. How can we ensure, though, that new ideas, new technologies, new insights don't remain confined to the classroom? EMIT is designed around an experiential learning pedagogy, and that is enabled by a distinctive set of assets which are unique and that will be deployed throughout the entire program. The Strategy in Action platform, the LEF digital model company, and the EDO robotic coach. The Strategy in Action software was developed by ESCP professors, and it's designed to support and guide the process of formulating a strategy and executing it. It embeds a simple UX design married with rigorous best practices to allow users to apply what they learn in an easy way. LEF Digital Model Company is a state-of-the-art facility designed to create a realistic experience of industrial transformation. It's a real company with all the functions, producing real product, but where participants can experience the process of industrial transformation before, during, and after the change, with hundreds of digital use cases implemented in all critical processes. EDO is a learning platform that combines advanced robotics with software to create an immersive experience for participants to learn a variety of skills, from coding to problem solving to actual digital transformation of real-life operations. Participants in the program will connect all of the learning modules, both management and technology, through one common thread, an in-company transformation project, facilitated and supported by expert tutors, through which they will apply everything we learn in their own organization, with an immediate return on the invested time and resources. Further and beyond to the transformation project, participants will return to their company with an enhanced capability to absorb innovation, new ideas, new technologies, and immediately put them in practice for impact. The program offers over 15 months a blend of in-person and online modules, a blend of management and technology modules, and includes the support and facilitation of the transformation projects for every participant. If something in your intuition, in your guts, is telling you that there is something more behind all of these new technologies, if you've been stuck in the endless pilot trap, launching project after project, but failing to see the big change, then you should look into it. So for now, thanks for your attention. But it doesn't end here. You'll all receive a more extensive document, presentation will go greater details about what EMIT is, how it works, and how to know more. You will also be shown, after this video, a QR code with a very short questionnaire. Please give us your answer, and I really hope we'll be in touch soon.